Hi, welcome to Rolling Back with BJ in the kitchen. Today, I am going to clean my pots and pans. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my Princess House stainless steel cookware. I'm going to clean the bottom of them. I use them quite often, so it's time to give them a cleaning. All you need is the Princess House stainless steel cleaner. It's a liquid cleaner, a soft sponge, a cloth towel, rubber gloves, and some warm water. Today, you're gonna see some special stuff. Stay tuned. Okay, we want to shake this real good. And then we're gonna open it up. And a little goes a long way, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just going to poke a little hole in here. Okay, so I'm going to put my rubber glove on. I'm going to start with this skillet, little small one. Okay, so we're going to just apply a few drops on here. We're going to take our sponge and we're going to wipe in a circular motion. And you just want to keep wiping. See that? So you just want to keep wiping in a circular motion until you get all this cooking off the bottom of it that you've been doing. So I hope everyone is having a great day today. I am cleaning my little pots and pans here, and then I'm gonna start cooking with them again. I haven't cleaned them in a while, so that's why it's taking me so long with this particular one. So you just want to keep wiping. And then we're going to rinse them in warm water and dry them off. Okay, I'm going to do the side of this skillet. And if you want to order any of these Princess House items, they are on my website, and I will leave the link to my website below so that you can order your own Princess House stainless steel cookware. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to clean this side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just to show you, I'm going to rinse one of them with the warm water, but then I'm going to clean them all and then just take them over and rinse them. Okay, so this is a Princess House sponge. They have a soft side, and this one is not rough, but it's a little sturdier than the other side. So you want to use that just to get that extra that don't want to come off. Okay, let me do the bottom of this one more time with the rough side. And this is all you do, and it doesn't take that long. So I'm going to rinse this one with the warm water right quick. Okay, now we're going to take the towel and dry it. And I want you to see the difference. Okay. We're going to set that one over there. Here is the bottom of this skillet. So I'm going to do this one. Here's the bottom of the pot. Let's do the pot right quick. We can kind of do both of them at the same time. I don't want this to be a long video, but I do want you to see how well this product works. So because I use this skillet quite often and I haven't cleaned it in a while, I'm just going to sprinkle that on there and let it sit. While I go over here and clean this pot. That way we won't be sitting up here with no long drawn out video. Okay? So, here we go. So you just want to keep going in a circular motion. And if you haven't tried Princess House cookware, I'm telling you, you're missing a treat. It is tri-ply cookware, and it has this this bottom on it that when you cook on the stove, it heats up all your food evenly. And that's what I like about this cookware. You don't have to worry about doing a lot of stirring and all like that. Your food is going to cook evenly. The only cookware that I pretty much own is Princess House cookware. So that speaks volume on this company. That's why I work for them, because the product is very, very good. Okay, we're gonna put a little more so you guys can tell I cook on these pots and pans, because it's taking me a minute to get them clean. But I'm telling you, if you want some good cookware at some affordable prices, try Princess House. And we have a lot of sales going on, so give us a try. Give it a try. You will not regret it. Okay, I'm getting ready to rinse this in warm water. There you have it. I'm not going to try nothing or use nothing and tell you to do anything that I would not do. And that's a prime example right there. I need to do some more around there, but for the sake of the video, I just want to let you guys see how well this product do. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. And then the other ones I'll do off camera. And I will come back and show you all of my cookware after they have been cleaned. So we're just going to finish up this one. Because BJ been cooking in this skillet right here. Gotta use my elbow. Ooh. So the more you clean them, like if you don't wait as long as I did, the less scrubbing you have to do. It'll be much easier to clean them. But because I cook so much, I don't stop to take the time to clean them like I should. But it gave me an opportunity to come and do it now for you guys so you can see exactly how well this product works. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. And what I'm going to have to do with this one, I'm probably going to have to rinse it and then do it again. Because I don't want this to be a long video. Okay, I'm going to rinse this one, and then I'm going to have to go back in and clean it some more after I clean my sponge. So, give me a second. Let me rinse this off. I want you to see the difference. I still got some cleaning to do on this one. But I want you to see what it looked like now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one to the side because I'm going to come back and finish cleaning that one. But I'm going to clean these two off camera. And again, I want you to see the one that I already cleaned. Okay, so I will be back to show you how all of them look after I clean them. I'll be back. Oh, here's my towel. Here's my sponge. Now I have to clean those. Here's the Miracle in the Bottle, the Princess House stainless steel cleaner. So I want to show you the final result. Here's the inside of the skillet. Here's the outside. So you just take the sponge and put a little on the soft side and clean out the inside of your stainless steel cookware. Here's the big skillet. Here's the outside. The big pot.
How you gonna name everything else and not name that one?
The medium pot.
Thank you. So rude. Just showing them stuff.
The small pot. And they are stackable. And they come with lids, but the lids didn't need cleaning because they are... Hold on, let me show you the lid though. These are the lids. So this lid goes on there. And then I have another lid for this one.
You can maybe just put the same lid on.
Okay, and this lid goes on here. And let me show you the goodie that go inside of here. One more pause. The strainer. So this is 3-in-1. So you can use it to cook your pasta noodles, or you can take it out and just use it as a big pot. Okay, that concludes this Princess House stainless steel cookware video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stop by my website, check out the goodies on there. I'm telling you, you can get a lot of cookware for reasonable prices, and as you can see, you can clean them up really, really good. So once again, thanks for rolling with BJ in the kitchen. I will see you on the next video. Time for dinner.